the stock exhaust. Now this came, I've got some pictures I'm gonna put on here, but it came packaged really nice, dude. And the weight of this thing is amazing. I mean, look at that. I couldn't do that with that can that's on the back of that. Look at the difference. I mean, that's huge. I mean, that can goes all the way down to here. And it's so light. Very, very pretty. For the money that they are selling this for, dude, I am so happy with this. Let me pull this out. A little work tray here. And then this is the adapter pipe. Nice looking welds. Flange. It's just stainless steel. It's light though. It's nice and light. And then it came in this pretty little box. Here's the rubber strap and my little sticker that goes something like that. So and then here is the hanger. That's the rubber piece that goes around the inside of the hanger so it doesn't scratch up the pretty. And then here's all of the hardware. It came in a little bag. I actually opened that. But it came just really well packaged. The box is nice and neat. Make sure I got everything out of here. What's that? It's a rubber piece for something. Okay. No stickers. I like stickers. That is just beautiful. And then it has the DB right there in the back, and then you can remove it with a little, there's an Allen head right up in there somewhere. So I can't wait to get this on. I can't wait to see what it sounds like and see what I'm hoping for is this is so much lighter. This will make up for the extra weight I tacked on with the skid plate down there, because the skid plate is kind of heavy, but that's okay. So, all right. Let the install begin. Okay, just want to make sure that I get the right distance from the stock muffler, camera here, angle, so when I put the aftermarket, you'll get the same kind of sound quality, how big it is, the whole 9 yards. So I'm gonna fire this up, cold start, stock the exhaust. Love this bike, even stock exhaust. Okay, stay there. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah, see, that is so freaking heavy. Holy moly. I mean, give it to KTM. They always build heavy duty stuff, bad stuff. Not ragging on that, but that's good old American steel or Austrian. Yeah. You think? That's freaking heavy. Wow. Okay. Okay. We gotta do it. We got to. Damn, that was loud. to it. I can't even imagine what it's gonna sound like with the DB out. Whew. There is the DB that was in there. Cute little thing. Let's see what she sounds like with it out. Well, I think I like it. I gotta write it and see. I think I like the DB with this out. This makes it like more of a pitchy sound. And with it out, it's really not louder, it's deeper, which I like. I like the deepness of it. So, man, what a difference, dude, though. I'm really impressed with that. For 160 bucks, you cannot beat that. It was so easy to go on. The installation was a piece of cake. That was just, I mean, the fitment, it fits perfect. I didn't have to push or shove or do anything. I'm very, very impressed and very happy with, that was money well spent. So now I gotta put my little sticker. We'll be rubbing out how. All right, well, I just can't be happier. This exhaust is just, I'm so happy. I give it just 100% thumbs up. It fits great, and you can't beat it. For 160 bucks, that's with shipping. It was like 145 bucks, and with shipping from, I think it came from China. It's $160. What? And it sounds freaking amazing. The camera won't do it any justice. I'm gonna have to do like a street or a drive-by or something so you can really get the sound of it, because it sounds freaking amazing. It's got a serious bark to it. So, all right, guys, I will put the link to the exhaust at the bottom, and please like, tag, share, follow, and there are many more videos to come. Got a lot of good content on its way, and thanks for watching. See you.